Today let us go to the next and last class about prefixes. So let us start from here. Legis. What's the meaning of legis? Law. Legis means law, which is related to law. So we know that the MLA, expansion form of MLA is Member of Legislative Assembly. Legislative means which frames the law. A group of people which are selected by the people for the people to make laws, isn't it? Laws are passed in the assembly, isn't it? So legis means related to law. Legislature, legislative assembly, like that. Next, liber. Liber has two meaning, that is free and book. Free and book. Library, when we consider library, it is related to book. Liberty. Liberty means free. Liberty means freedom. Liberty means freedom. Next prefix is locus. Locus meaning is place. Locus means place. So locality. We come across the word locality. The meaning of locality means place. Locality means place. Nomen. Nomen means name. So nomenclature. Nomenclature. Example, nomenclature. You come across this word in your colleges when you go, if you take science as subject, botany or zoology. What is the nomenclature? Scientific nomenclature of man, Homo sapiens. Nomen means name. Naming of man in scientific is Homo sapiens. Azadi Rakta Indica. Neem tree is called as Azadi Rakta Indica, means it is named. So name. Nomen means naming. Pan. Pan means all. Pan means all. Pan America. We come across the word Pan America means all the states of America, like that. Tech. Meaning of tech is craft or skill. College of Technology. We go to College of Technology, that's B.Tech. We take a graduation in technology. Tech means craft or skill. Logos means study. So skill which makes us to study something. We get the skill of some particular subject, that is tech. Next, tele. Tele means far. Can you give the example for this? I think you know this one. Tele, which starts telegram, sending a written form to a far place. Any other? Television. We can see the distant far things in our home, isn't it? Television. Telescope. We can see the stellar things through telescope or distant objects very close, isn't it? Far. Next word is psych. Psych means mind. Psych means mind. So psychology, I know I told logy or logos means what? Studying. Studying about mind or soul. Soul you can see here. So psych. So mind or soul. Psych. Psychiatrist. A person who treats mind. Who has some disease in their mind or in brain. A person doctor who treats a person with some illness of mind is known as psychiatrist. Sect. Sect means cut. So cross section. You come across cross section of datura. Cross section of a flower. Horizontal section. Horizontal means section. Section means cutting. Section means cutting. So cross section means to lateral cutting. Okay. Horizontal section means cutting it in a straight way, long way. Okay. Next, sol. Sol means alone. Sol means alone. Solitude life. Vinoba Bhave led a solitude life. Secular life, a lone life, a life which is was living away from mob, away from people, distant. Okay, next. Alone. Sol means alone. Solitude, person, solitude, personality. Okay. Struct. Struct means build. Construct a triangle. You come across construct a triangle. To build a triangle. To build a construct a triangle using the following details, using the following angles and sides, they say, isn't it? That means you have to build a triangle like that. Spur or spir means breathe. Spiritual. Spiritual, what do you know? Why is this word used, spiritual? So when we think about spiritual things, godly things, we take the breath in and we leave out the breath in a positive way, they say. Spirit, spiritual. So the word has come from spir. Spir means breathing. So we always think about good thing, that is spiritual. Spirituality. Spirituality is a great man of spirituality, they say. That means he takes always a good air or good breath, or is well formed person. When breath is good, then our health is also good. So that is the thing. Next, rupt. Rupt means break. Rupt means break. Rupture, they say. There was a rupture. The accident took place and there was a rupture in the blood cells, blood vessel. Rupture means breaking. Beni. Beni means well or favorable. Benevolent. Beneficiary. Beneficial. Beneficial. These are the examples. Ego. Ego means I or myself, or thinking about self. Ego is a very egoist person, they say. Means a person who thinks about himself. Self. Next, port. Porting. Portable TV. They say portable TV. What do you mean by portable TV? Which we can carry easily. Port means carry. So port. This can be used as prefix as well as suffix. Transport, portable. Portable, when we use portable, port is used as prefix. When it is used in the word, when we consider transport, port is used as suffix. Okay. Credo. Credo means belief. Credo means belief. He is a very credential person. So, reliable person. Next, geo. Geo means earth. Geo means earth. Relate. Geography. Any other word? Geology. Study about the earth and minerals is called geology. Next, anything? Any other thing? Geography. Next. Geographic channel, we come across geographic channel. Okay, next. Hetero. Hetero means mixed or unlike. Mixed or unlike. Example? Can you give the example? Hetero. Heterogeneous material belonging to other things. Heterogeneous. When we mix sand and water, what we can't separate, then it is homogeneous. It will be almost homogeneous like that. Or we can say heterogeneous. If you mix sand, rice like that, different. It stays different. So such things are hetero. When mixed also, we can feel unlike. They are not alike. So hetero. Homo. Homo means same or alike. Homo sapiens. People. Man is known as Homo sapiens. One who seem to be having same structure like that, we can say. Or homo means same. Homogeneous material. Homogeneous material. So liquid. When mix water and milk, they are homogeneous. We can't separate it easily, isn't it? Okay, that is homo. Homo means which can be seen as one thing or alike, or which appear to be same. Next one, idea. Idea means idea. Idea means idea. Ideology. Ideology. Marxist ideology. They say, isn't it? Some in politics they use this. What was his ideology? Means way of thinking. What was his way of doing? What was his idea of doing, like that. So by this we conclude the chapter regarding prefixes. So you have to use this one. You will be beneficial when you come across a new word. If you know the meaning of these prefixes, then you can easily understand the meaning without the help of even dictionaries. Okay. So by this we shall conclude prefixes. Tomorrow let us go to the study of suffixes. Okay. Okay.